Hi, Mike Gillick here. Today I will go over an exciting new feature, API Discovery. API Discovery allows you to create a baseline test by capturing HTTP traffic from web service clients. This feature can also be used for migrating your existing API tests into SoapUI Pro.
Right-click on the existing project and then use Discover REST Resources functionality. In the window that comes up, you can browse to a page and record traffic. As you can see, even browsing to the page recorded 9 different requests for images, HTML, CSS files, etc. If I didn't want that traffic recorded and I just wanted to set up my environment, I could have unchecked the record icon, browse to the environment before I simulate the web service client, and then started recording at that point. So at this point, we can record the submit action, which is the actual web service call behind the scenes. So here you can see that once I clicked submit, we recorded an additional request and went from 9 to 10. And for recording other traffic, we can record that via proxy. So here you can see that I'm going to my external device, and then in the external device, I'm going to browse to a similar page with different form that I'm submitting and click and submit. Note, increments our recorded request from 10 to 11. At this point, we're done generating HTTP traffic, so we can click done and then filter the results by different domains. So for example, we don't care about integrations, we just care about stuff that went against our IP. And then for the response, we can also filter out content that came back as images, HTML, JavaScript, etc. and just leave the stuff that came back as JSON, because that's how our web service interacts in that format. So at this point, we can click Generate Services. We'll choose Services plus Test Suite, and that will prompt us to create a test suite and test case where we can enter the steps generated by this traffic. So what we've done now is generated the description for how the web services work so that SoapUI Pro can better understand it. And in addition to that, we also created the 2 test steps that can now be used for regression testing, for automation, etc.